Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I am very happy to see you. In today's video, we will practice 100 daily life English questions and answers. These questions are very common and very useful. They will help you speak English in daily life. Please listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every day. Let's start today's lesson.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Monica.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How is your day?
My day is going well.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
Are you busy?
No, I am free now.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
How was your day?
It was good.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big?
No, it is small.
What is your father doing?
He is working.
What is your mother doing?
She is cooking.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help every day.
Where is your home?
My home is near here.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one child.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want rice and curry.
Can I have some water?
Yes, of course.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What did you eat today?
I ate breakfast at home.
Is the food tasty?
Yes, it is delicious.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Let's eat together.
Okay, let's go.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you work?
I work from home.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
What are you studying?
I am learning English.
Is English difficult?
No, it is easy.
When do you study?
I study every day.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice daily.
Why are you learning English?
To speak confidently.
Is your class online?
Yes, it is online.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax at home.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I do.
What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I love music.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is learning.
Do you go outside daily?
Yes, I do.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
How much is this?
It is cheap.
Can you give a discount?
Yes, a little.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Where is the market?
It is nearby.
What do you want to buy?
I want some fruits.
Is this expensive?
No, it is affordable.
How do you pay?
I pay by cash.
Do you have change?
Yes, I do.
Can I return this?
Yes, you can.
Is it open today?
Yes, it is open.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
How do I get there?
Go straight.
Is it far?
No, it is near.
Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Which bus should I take?
Take bus number 5.
How long will it take?
It will take 10 minutes.
Is this the right way?
Yes, it is.
Where is the station?
It is over there.
Do you travel often?
Yes, sometimes.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
What happened?
Nothing serious.
Do you need rest?
Yes, I do.
Are you sick?
No, I am fine.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, a little.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Get well soon.
Thanks a lot.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Yes, I will speak slowly.
What do you mean?
I mean this.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my phone.
What do you want?
I want to learn English.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
Can you explain again?
Yes, I can explain again.
What is your plan today?
My plan is to study.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What do you think?
I think it is good.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree.
What should I do?
You should practice daily.
Can I try again?
Yes, try again.
Is it important?
Yes, it is very important.
What is the problem?
The problem is time.
Can you wait a moment?
Yes, I can wait.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
What do you need?
I need some help.
Can you help me now?
Yes, I can help you.
What time will you come?
I will come soon.
Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Why are you late?
Because of traffic.
How long will it take?
It will take a few minutes.
What happened yesterday?
Nothing special happened.
What do you usually do?
I usually study English.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, you can ask.
Is it your first time?
Yes, it is my first time.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my future.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I am feeling better.
Please help me.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sorry for the mistake.
It's okay.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you repeat, please?
Yes, of course.
I don't understand.
Let me explain.
That's a good idea.
Thank you.
I agree with you.
Me too.
No problem.
Okay.
Take your time.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thanks.
Keep in touch.
Sure.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Let's meet again.
Yes, let's.
Good night.
Good night.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
So, my dear friends, this is the end of today's video. I hope this lesson helped you. I hope you learned something new today. I hope you feel more confident now. Remember, English becomes easy when you practice every day. Small practice every day brings big results. Even 5 minutes of practice is very powerful. Do not think you are weak in English. You are learning step by step. Every step is important. Every day you are improving. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Mistakes make us stronger. Every mistake brings a new lesson. Speak slowly and clearly. Do not rush. Take your time while speaking. Confidence comes with practice. Listen more and repeat more. Use English in your daily life. Talk to yourself in English. Think in English as much as you can. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support gives me motivation. Your love helps this channel grow. Write your favorite question in the comments. Tell me which sentence you liked most. Your comments make me very happy. Keep practicing, keep smiling, never give up on your dream. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.